Book every single time you ask ChatGPT a question, it consumes 10 times more electricity than a Google search. One AI query, 10 times the power. And the data centers running these models? They're on track to consume more electricity than the entire country of Japan by 2026. That's not a prediction from some doomsday blog. That's from the International Energy Agency. And here's what's really shocking: nobody is talking about it. Intro AI companies want you to believe their technology is weightless magic floating in the cloud. But the cloud is actually millions of power-hungry servers in concrete warehouses sucking up electricity like there's no tomorrow. Today, we're exposing 5 hidden costs of artificial intelligence that the tech giants would rather you didn't know about. And stick around for number 4, it's the one that even caught me off guard. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button in the corner of your screen. It's completely free, takes exactly 1 second, and ensures you never miss a video like this. Do it now. I'll wait. The electricity appetite you can't see. Let's start with the raw numbers because they're genuinely hard to believe. A single ChatGPT query consumes about 2.9 watt-hours of electricity. Sounds tiny, right? But multiply that by the roughly 9 billion daily queries these models now handle, and you're looking at 26 gigawatt-hours per day. That's enough to power every home in Chicago for 24 hours. Every single day. Training these models is even worse. When OpenAI trained GPT-4, the process consumed an estimated 50 gigawatt-hours of electricity, enough to power 5,000 American homes for an entire year. And every new generation of models is bigger and hungrier than the last. The data center industry already consumes about 2% of global electricity. By 2030, that number could hit 8%. We're literally building new fossil fuel plants to power AI while tech companies post about their sustainability goals on LinkedIn. The water problem nobody discusses. Electricity gets the headlines, but water is the silent victim. Those data centers generate massive amounts of heat, and they need cooling. Lots of cooling. A mid-sized data center can consume 3 to 5 million gallons of water per day. That's the daily water usage of a city of 30 to 50,000 people. Here's the part that should make you angry: many of these data centers are being built in water-stressed regions. Arizona, Northern Virginia, Central Oregon. Places where farmers are fighting over water rights while a Microsoft data center down the road uses millions of gallons to cool servers running AI models. Google's data centers alone consumed over 21 billion liters of water in 2025. And the company's own environmental report admits that water consumption jumped 20% in a single year, driven almost entirely by AI workloads. 20%. In 1 year. The carbon footprint they hide. Now let's talk about what's actually coming out of the smokestacks. Training a single large language model can emit as much carbon as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. Not 5 cars for a year, 5 cars from the factory to the junkyard. But the training is just the beginning. The ongoing inference, the actual chatting you and I do, accounts for 60 to 80% of the lifetime carbon cost of an AI model. Every question you ask, every image you generate, every song you create, it all adds up in real time. Microsoft's carbon emissions have jumped 30% since 2020, directly because of AI data center expansion. They publicly pledged to be carbon negative by 2030. Instead, they're going in the exact opposite direction. And they're not alone. Amazon and Google are in the same boat. The solutions they're ignoring. Here's the thing: this doesn't have to be the story. The technology exists to run data centers on clean energy. Google has been matching 100% of its electricity with renewable purchases for years. But matching isn't the same as directly powering. When the sun isn't shining and the wind isn't blowing, those data centers burn the same fossil fuels as everyone else. Smaller, more efficient models exist. Companies like Anthropic and Mistral have shown you can get impressive performance with a fraction of the compute. But the industry's incentive structure rewards bigger, flashier models, not efficient ones. Venture capital wants the moonshot, not the right-sized solution. Nuclear power is being pitched as the answer. Microsoft literally signed a deal to restart 3 Mile Island. But nuclear plants take a decade to build, and AI is doubling its energy appetite every 18 months. The math doesn't add up. What you can actually do. This isn't one of those we're all doomed videos. There are real things that matter. Number 1, use AI intentionally. Every prompt you save is energy you save. Stop asking ChatGPT to write your grocery list. Number 2, support companies that are transparent about their energy usage. If they won't tell you their numbers, that's the biggest red flag of all. Number 3, push for regulation. The EU AI Act is a start, but it barely touches energy standards. And here's a bonus tip nobody mentions: use smaller, local AI models when you can. Running a model on your own device uses a tiny fraction of the energy. Your laptop can run impressive models that would have required a data center just 2 years ago. The future of sustainable AI might be smaller, not bigger. Here's the bottom line. AI is an incredible technology that's going to change the world. But right now, that change comes with a massive environmental price tag that the companies building it are actively hiding from you. Don't let them get away with it. If this opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button right now. Tomorrow I'm covering another AI secret the industry doesn't want you to know, and you're going to want to see this one. The subscribe button is right there in the corner. Tap it now. YouTube's about to recommend another video. Do yourself a favor and watch one more before you close the app. It helps this channel grow, and honestly, you might learn something that changes how you think about technology. I'll see you tomorrow.